Hi, I'm doing some woodworking here in the shop. I'm making a cabinet in the back that's a piece of fine furniture in an arts and crafts style, and in the piece will be a couple of drawers. And since I am at the point of completing the drawers, I thought maybe it made sense to share a video that would go into a bit of detail about how it's different than maybe what the manufacturer specified, the manufacturer of the drawer guides or runners. So I'm using the Blum 563H runners, and those are little 9-inch runners that have the soft close feature. Blum calls it Blumotion. And what Blum requires is that you build your box and that you put a front onto it. So in other words, you would have a sub front that would not be seen, but then you would put this other one on top of it. Well, I was making dovetails, that was my plan, into the drawer, and I didn't like the idea that I was going to be dovetailing the front of the box, but not the front of the drawer, right? So instead, what I did was I built my drawer, keeping in mind the sub front that Blum requires, and basically extending my side by that amount, which is, I think they require a 1/2 inch sub front in the very least. So I just extended it by a 1/2 inch, this side, and then underneath, what I did was I fooled the hardware. Hopefully you can see this in here if I hold it in the right angle. I basically glued a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch strip in here, to which I then screw the Blum hardware. So it doesn't know any better. It thinks that there is a sub front there. The distance between, the inside distance between the sub front and the back of the drawer is exactly as it was specified by Blum. But instead, I've got my drawer with the dovetails the way I want them to look, dovetailed directly into the drawer front. So I thought I'd share that with you. I built a poplar box first because I didn't want to cut into the quarter-sawn white oak quite so quickly, to test my theory that this could be done, and this drawer works perfectly well on the Blum 563H drawer runners. So the theory was tested and passed, and that's when I made the oak. And the oak is going in next, but before I did, I thought I would share that with you in case anybody else wants to veer a little bit from the guidance that Blum provides in order to use their hardware. There you go. Have a great day.